Hi, welcome to Julia's Crafting Space. If you're new here, welcome to my videos. I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've been here before, welcome back and thank you for watching my videos. And in this video, I will show you a little room tour or craft tour. It's really messy right now as I'm recording this, and it will be better at the end of this video. So as you can see, everything is really bad. Everything is on the floor. It's just overwhelming. And this is semi-organized. Well, it is organized. The desk, I was slowly working on it. So I had this idea of organizing my ribbons by season, which is gonna make it so much easier for me. I don't know why I didn't do that before. It was just a mess everywhere, and it was so hard for me to find ribbon. And here it's still looking pretty bad. It's a really small room. Well, it's a good size. I just have a lot of stuff, a lot of different things. Mostly ribbon, but I love crafting, so I do tend to buy things and say, oh, I'm gonna do this later, and then never do it. So I just keep collecting stuff. I'm trying not to do that anymore so I can save some money. And here, as you can see, I already organized my ribbon, and the floor is looking a little cleaner. So the reason I moved to this craft room is because my kids were sleeping in the same room, my 3 and 5-year-old. But now we are rearranging everything in the house. So I'm giving, well, what used to be my craft room is going to be the bedroom for my 3-year-old boy. And this room used to be my husband's office. So he moved out of the office. So now it's become my crafting space. And yeah, that's the reason why I haven't really uploaded. I've been really busy in the house, but I'm back to crafting. I'm back on working my orders and hopefully uploading more often. I hope you really like this video. I hope you enjoy it and just know a little more about me. And let me know if you like this type of videos, the cleaning, organization type of videos, or room tours, well, crafting room tours. If you would like to see more of these, I can do another upload of the process a couple months later, so you can see if there's been any updates or anything. And hope you like it. Thank you so much. Hi guys, so this is the final look of the craft room. Here's my door, and I just organized my greenery and a few flowers. Because most of what I do is I make wreaths. So I organize a few here, and I also have some more inside my closet. So there's more here. I will start working on my fall wreaths very soon. I will post more videos coming up about fall wreaths. And here are a few that I have made. It's just a few, and more crafting stuff up there. So on these 2 bins, I organize my deco mesh, and this is just stuff that I take for my farmer's market. And this is a few projects I've been working on. And here's the flowers. Let's see. And this is more greenery, lamps here, and some eucalyptus right here. So this is what I use mostly for a lot of wreaths that I make. So It's like a basic greenery here. And this is a card I did for my kids. It's a crafting card. It's very fun. My kids are 3 and 5. I have a boy and a girl, and they love crafting, especially my 5-year-old girl. So I just put some paint. I got this from Hobby Lobby. I don't remember if I got it on sale or regular price, but regular price is $159, so it's not too bad. And just got the primary colors, some felt here to make some little animals. I got this from Michael's. I can't remember how much it was, but this is what you can make. And then I just got this little caddy right here. This is from Dollar Tree, and it just has the paintbrushes, a few things, a pair of scissors. These are very safe for the kids. And glue. This one is really good. Tacky glue. Got this from Michael's. It's not focusing. Here we go. And it's really good for fabric. Okay. I don't remember the price on this one, but I believe I got it for $2 or so. I also had a coupon, a $15 coupon. So there's that. And here I organized, okay, let me show you. Here's all my signs for my wreaths. These are the high signs and letter. I tried to organize it by season, but I think I just mixed it up right now. So this is the spring. There's a little bunny. And here's the fall. And this is just something I got from Target for a project. I think I'm just gonna paint them and add letters with my Cricut Maker. Some vinyl letters. Here's some gingerbread ornaments. I used a few of this to make a wreath, a gingerbread wreath last year. And these are just extras that I have. And paint, marker for fabric, and what else do I have here? Some books. I do make some book stacks. I might do a tutorial on that later on. Here's my stamps, all my stamps, my tags and stickers. There's more tags. So I sell wreaths at the farmer's market, my local market. So that's why I have these. I also sell them online. So I just add the tag, and they're really cute. So it has my Facebook and Instagram, and this is how it looks. The front. Okay, and this is, I have my bags, and I do crochet. This is from many years ago, probably more than 10 years. So I used to buy a lot of knitting stuff. So yeah, I haven't crocheted in a while. And this is beads. My daughter, my 5-year-old, makes bracelets, and she goes to the farmer's market with me, and she sells a lot actually. And this is just stuff for bow making, for hair bows. I'll be posting videos soon about how to make bows. And here I just have my paper that I use for my packaging, and all my plastic bags. So here on my table, I just organized, well, these are not really organized. but here, as you can see, this one goes all the way to the other side, and it has a lot of, well, it has all the winter and Christmas ribbon, and this is just like the year-round type of ribbon, so for any season this can be used. And this is all the spring summer ribbon, and this is the same as that one, so for year-round ribbon. And this, well, I don't have a place to put them, so I just have it here. It's just a mix of different things. And on this side, I didn't know what to do with this vase, so we had it for years, so I just have it to put some of my fall flowers, well, not flowers, berries that I'll be using for wreaths. And what else? Oh, this book, it's really good. I love this book. So if you're into flowers and you would like to know a lot about making arrangements, designing, it tells you about every seasonal flowers, so you can check it out. It's called A Year in Flowers, and she has different books as well. So this is a book I got for my daughter. I'll be reading this. It's okay, let me show you here. It's like a daily, so you just read one page a day. This is for January 1st and so on. Alright, so this, I just have more flower, greenery, a box. I will be doing a project with this one for my sister. She's getting married. And this sign, I use it for my farmer's market. So this, I just have an empty corner. I think I'm gonna give this space to my husband to put some of his stuff, since this used to be his office and he had to move, so I can move my crafting stuff in here. Alright, so this card is all my Cricut Maker stuff, so I still have to organize it. Let me know if you're into Cricut Maker, so I can post some videos and projects. And this is all my disinfecting wipes. This is all my fall ribbons that I'll be using for my fall wreaths or any project. And I try to organize this. So this is Halloween. This is a burlap ribbon, except this one, that's velvet. And my fall. So this piece of wood, I use it as a backdrop for my pictures. Here's a little wreath, my lighting, and this stuff, it's just bows that I've made. And this is actually gonna be for a wreath that I'll be making soon. It's gonna be a peach wreath. There's a lot of peaches. And so here is the other side of the table. This is my Bodabra stuff that I got from them. I will be making some projects for Bodabra, the Bodabra company. So they sent me a few items to use. It's really fun. So Bodabra is a bow maker tool. Let me show you. So this is a large Bodabra, the bow maker tool, and this is a smaller. So this is used for hair bows mostly. Let me know if you want to see a few tutorials on how to use this. This is going to be the first time I use the mini bow maker Because normally I use this one for my wreaths, but I'm excited to make bows with this one. I want to make a few bows for my daughter she's going to start kindergarten. So I'm gonna make her some cute bows for school. And there's the ribbons, chargers, all the Christmas ribbon, Valentine's and 1st of July, spring, summer. It's all mixed there. Okay, and for this white tulips, I'm gonna make a wreath. I have a wreath order that I'll be working on soon, so that's why I have them there. And these are just Hobby Lobby finds that I went today. There's 66% off going on right now for all the spring collection they have. This is a small lantern. I don't know if you're into lanterns. What I'm thinking of doing with this one, well, after I clean it up, I'll be using this, I'm thinking for fall, use it as a centerpiece for my dining table and decorate it with maybe flowers, put pumpkins inside, the small pumpkins, and I don't know, we'll see what I do. So I got this on the clearance section for $8.24. I don't know what was the regular price. Oh, $28.99. So that's really good. And I also got this one here. So it is, I don't know if you're into Rae Dunn, just a small tools for the kitchen. So it's really cute. This one was also 66% off. The regular price is $19.99. Beautiful. And I also got, well, my husband, he got this one for the kids. Also 66% off. This is really cool. It's a 3-in-1 splash park. It says regular price is $80, but I believe he got it for 20, let me see, 27. So yeah, that's pretty much it. My small craft room. Here's the 360 view. There we go. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And I'm finally back. I wasn't posting anything because I was working on bringing all my crafting items from another room to this one. So there was a lot of going on in the house. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.